Hey everyone, today we have a delicious problem. I have 4 amazing cupcakes and I want to share them with my friend. But if I give myself 3 and my friend only gets 1, so well, the things are going to get messy. So to be fair, I need division. Okay. So division, what is division? Division is just taking a big group and breaking it into a smaller and equal groups. So let's look at our cupcakes. We have total 1, 2, 3 and 4 in total. So that's our starting number. So we have total cupcakes 4. Okay, and here we see we have 2 bowls. Okay, that means this is me and this one is my friend. So I want these 4 cupcakes we will share equal together. So now let's put this cupcake here and this cupcake here. Okay, this cupcake here, this cupcake is here. Now in these 2 bowls, 1 cupcake, 2 cupcake, 1 cupcake and 2 cupcake. That means we both have equal cupcakes. 2 cupcake this one and 2 cup. So this is called the division. Division is equal to equal sharing, when we share the stuff together with the same quantity. We write it 4. This is the symbol when we are dividing. Okay, then is equals to 2, because it's just an example. We shared 4 cupcakes with 2, so we equally got 2 cupcakes each. Okay, so here the 4, what 4 is? The 4 is a dividend. This is a dividend. And what is the 2? 2 is a divisor. And that's how many groups we made. And our total answer is 2. So what it called is quotient. This is our quotient. That's how many are in each group. Okay. That's all for division. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.